Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm a 15-year-old that built Corvus agent. AI coding agents can change the repository and decode quickly, but the risky part is what happens around the changes. Hidden permissions, unreviewed diffs, and accidental publishing. This is why I built Corvus agent, a local desktop agent that allows everyday people to utilize AI agents in a safer way, where safety and permissions are communicated more clearly to the user, and where the user has more control over their agents. This is the Corvus Beta desktop app, a native desktop application for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Here in the model tabs, I have OpenAI Codex and Cloud Code that I can choose from. Here in providers, I can edit my default model, I can add models here, and I can also add my own API keys. Here in projects, I can see all of my project names, their file paths, and their statuses, as well as see how far they're or behind they are against their GitHubs. When I add a project, I have the option of choosing one from scratch. We will be in the Manage Corvus folder, or I can choose an existing local folder, or I can choose a GitHub repository. Here in the GitHub repository, it will synchronize from my authorized GitHub, and I can choose a project. It will clone the project locally, and I can select it in my threads. Here in threads, I can select the project I added just now, and I can change the modes from chat and build. In chat, it has restricted access where it's only read only. And here you can see the specific access it has. I can change this to build mode, where it has more permissions to actually edit things and give me an output. Here, I'll send the Corvus agent to do this task for me. Before I start the agent, it will ask me if I want to continue in the protected sandbox, where the details of the agent will be specified here. I can choose to cancel or continue in the sandbox. While the agent is working, I can view my run options, which consists of my provider, the selected model, the thinking, and if I want to enable MCPs, which may provide external system accesses, but it will still work within the sandbox. Now the agent has finished his task. This is his normal output over here. So here I can see the detailed activity that it did, which includes search projects, PowerShell commands, and Python tests. I can also see the detailed model outputs, and I can also see the safety receipt, which includes the execution, files, networks, external tools, and so on. Here I can also download the finished project, which I can install in my downloads folder. In my downloads folder, I can see what it changed, which it successfully gave me the title test normalizer Python file. We used GPT 5.6 Sol in Codex from everything from planning, implementation, debugging, testing, and reviewing the code. That's Corvus Agent, a local open source native desktop application that provides users with clear safety understanding, clear safety communication, and more granular control over safety. Thank you for your time.